Good morning, students. Yes, we have started chapter 3, human reproduction, and we introduce human reproduction. Yes, and also we have discussed the processes that are involved in sexual reproduction. Yes, beta? Yes, now we will discuss our next topic, male reproductive system. Today we start our next topic, male reproductive system. The male reproductive system involves these following structures. Okay, scrotum, testes, epididymis, vasa deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, penis, and male accessory glands, seminal vesicle, prostate glands, bulbourethral or Cowper's gland. These are the three glands that are present in male reproductive system. First, male have sex organs. Okay, the sex organs that are present in male are of two types: primary sex organ and secondary sex organ. Okay, the sex organs that are present in male that are of two types, primary and secondary. Primary sex organ is testis. Primary sex organ is testis, and secondary like scrotum, epididymis, vasa deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, penis. These are glands, accessory glands. These are the secondary sex organs. Okay, testis is a primary sex organ because it is a primary sex organ because it produces male gamete sperm and sex hormone testosterone. So testis is a primary sex organ. Other organs are secondary sex organ. Okay, so the sex organs of male reproductive system, we divide this sex organ into two categories, primary and secondary. Testis is the primary sex organ and secondary sex organ, scrotum, epididymis, vasa deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, penis, accessory gland. These are the secondary sex organs. Clear? First we discuss scrotum. Okay? Scrotum. This is the diagram of male reproductive system. So this structure is a scrotum. So scrotum is a sac-like or a pouch-like structure in which these testes are present. So scrotum is a sac-like structure in which testes are present. Clear? Second is testis. Testis is a primary sex organ. We have discussed that testis is a primary sex organ because it produces male gamete sperm and also produces sex hormone testosterone. Okay? Yes, this testis lies outside the abdominal cavity in scrotum. It is present in pouch-like or sac-like structure in scrotum. Okay, so testis present in scrotum. It lies outside the abdominal cavity. What is abdominal cavity? The stomach part of our body is known as abdominal cavity. Below stomach, this present. Okay, so this testis lies outside the abdominal cavity in scrotum. Why they present outside the body? Because in testis sperms are produced. Okay, in testis sperms are produced. So the formation of sperms requires lower temperature than the normal body temperature. Okay, so they lies outside the abdominal cavity, which has temperature about 2 degree to 3 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature. ओके मतलब ये हमारी बॉडी से बाहर है, बाहर एब्डोमिनल कैविटी के नीचे वाली जगह पर प्रेजेंट होते हैं, बिकॉज वहां क्योंकि इनको जो स्पर्म्स की टेस्टिस में क्या होना है, स्पर्म की फॉर्मेशन, और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्म्स रिक्वायर्स द टेम्परेचर लोअर देन द बॉडी टेम्परेचर. हमारी बॉडी टेम्परेचर क्या है, नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है, तो इनको क्या है इससे कम का टेम्परेचर चाहिए होते हैं. ठीक है, इट रिक्वायर्स टेम्परेचर लोअर देन द नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर, सो दे लाइज आउटसाइड द एब्डोमिनल कैविटी इन सेक्रोटम. क्लियर? Testes are oval shape. This is the oval shape. Okay, so testes are oval in shape, and the length of the testis is 4 to 5 centimeter, and the width of the testis is 2 to 3 centimeter. Okay, testes are oval in shape, and length of this testis is 4 to 5 centimeter, and width is 2 to 3 centimeter. Clear? Yes, beta. Are you understand about testis? Yes. So this is the testis, and this is the epididymis. Epididymis. We know that the sperms produced in testis, then these sperms enter in epididymis. Here, sperms get matured and stored temporarily. After that, sperms transfer to this tube. This is a vasa deferens. Okay, so vasa deferens take these sperms from epididymis and transfer to the urethra. Okay, then this vasa deferens tube transfer these sperms into urethra. To urethra. Clear? Next is vasa deferens. Vasa deferens is a tube-like structure that takes sperm from epididymis and transfer to urethra. Ejaculatory duct. These are the glands. Okay, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland. Okay, the secretion of these glands come in vasa deferens. Then this tube known as ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. Okay, clear? Yes, next is urethra. Okay, and urethra is a tube-like structure. It is also the part of the excretory system. Yes, through urethra in the excretory system you learn that the waste of your body, urine, is removed from the body through urethra. Clear? Next is penis. This is the muscular part. This is known as penis. Around the urethra, this is the muscular part. This is a penis. Clear? Next is male accessory glands, seminal gland, vesicle, prostate gland, and bulbourethral glands. There are 3 glands: prostate gland, seminal vesicle glands, bulbourethral or Cowper's gland. These are the 3 glands that secrete some substances, and the secretion of these substances provide the nutrition to the sperm, and the sperm with the secretion of these glands form the liquid known as semen. So urethra serves 2 functions. It carry urine and also carry semen from the body. So urethra perform 2 functions. Okay, I hope you understand this. The structure of the male reproductive system. Okay, so we discuss internal structure of testis. It is a very complex structure. Testis is a very complex structure. So internal structure of testis we discuss in our next video. I hope you understand this. Okay. Male reproductive system consists of involves following structures. Scrotum, testis, epididymis, vasa deferens, ejaculatory duct, urethra, penis and accessory glands, seminal vesicle, prostate gland or bulbourethral or Cowper's gland. Okay, scrotum is a sac-like structure in which testes are present. Testes, oval shaped testes are present in scrotum, and it is the primary sex organ that produce sperm and also produce sex hormone testosterone. Okay, and this is the epidermis. After formation of sperm, sperm get enter in epididymis. Here sperms get matured and stored temporarily. Then vasa deferens take these sperms from epididymis and transfer to the urethra. Okay, these are the three glands that secrete some substances. The secretion of these glands provide nutrition to the sperm, and sperm with the secretion of glands forms a liquid known as semen. Okay. Ejaculatory duct, it is a tube-like structure that met with vasa deferens and that take secretions from the glands before joining the urethra. It meet with vasa deferens. Okay. Urethra, it is the opening. Okay, it is the tube-like structure that open outside from the body, and it serves to function. It carry urine as well as semen. Penis is a muscular organ around the urethra. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, beta. The internal structure of testis we will discuss in our next video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.